All right, let's jump into the negative review analysis. This is a negative review removal assistant that's going to help us improve the star rating of our products selling on Amazon. Let's say this is our product, right? This is the Course X. It's been selling a lot, 74,000 ratings here. And we can see of those, 10,000 are written, okay? So we can remove up to 10,000 reviews if we only want to remove the negative ones which violate Amazon's review and community guidelines, because they're the only ones we can remove. So how do we do that, right? If this is our product or our client's product, how do we go about removing the negative reviews so we can bump this up from a 4.6 rating to hopefully a 4.8 rating? Quick fun fact for you. If this product was 4 stars, making 70,000 sales per month, which it currently is, as soon as this jumps down to 3.9 stars, 0.1 star, it will instantly lose roughly 20% revenue each month. That's 14,000 sales per month it will lose, which is a lot. So let's go ahead and copy this ASIN, jump into the negative review detector here. I'll paste in the ASIN here, which I've already done, and we're going to click AI Analyze. It'll take a minute or two to analyze it, but then we're going to get the report that is generated down here. So L7K is the report. Now, when we click on this, we're going to be able to see, okay, great. What's the trend of review counts for this here product? Okay. And what is the compliant to non-compliant review numbers, right? We can see 436 of them here are compliant and 54 of them are non-compliant. And you're probably asking, but Sean, there was like 10,000 written reviews. Yes, but this software by default will only analyze the previous 2 years of reviews. So if you want, you can extend and go back to 2020. So you'll have to just send in the request to get the historical review analysis unlocked, and you will most definitely get a lot more reviews here. Compliant 436, you can see here, people are leaving legitimate reviews that most likely cannot be removed. We can most likely remove up to 54 reviews pretty quickly. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now, these are all of the reviews that can be removed, okay? First bottle, great. Second bottle leaked and is unusable, right? So this is something about the shipping. It came and it had leaked during the shipping and delivery. So how can we go ahead and get this here removed? This 2-star, right? Which is bringing down our star rating. Well, we can go ahead, highlight over the appeal template here. And all we got to do here is copy this and take it into Amazon and open up a ticket with them to get this removed, okay? And this should be removed within hopefully days, if not a week or two. Top tip, sometimes when removing these negative reviews, you might get rejected first time. Keep opening it, okay? Because there will be an associate that will most likely just make it easy for you and remove that review because it does clearly review the guidelines. And by adding in this information here, the ASIN, right? The review date, the review author, it's going to help the Amazon representative easily say, yes, this is a review that can be removed. We clearly see that it violates the community and review policy guidelines. Boom, removed. And hopefully that star rating of yours will go up, okay? Now, this is predominantly really needed and used by sellers who have been selling for 6+ months, right? They have a number of reviews, or even US sellers that get negative reviews in and they're not sure which ones they can remove. This helps you identify those reviews that can be removed. This, again, is another feature that's new and in beta, but so many people are starting to use it that this is going to be changing within the next month, 2 months, and have a lot more features to it. But the basics of what you need to know is right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll join you in the next video.